Hold on guys, welcome back to my channel. Today it's gonna be a really chill and relaxing day. I'm here on a solo mission. The reason why is because personally I love doing solo adventures and solo trips. I'm here at this beautiful river, beautiful, and I'm just gonna be chilling today. I'm gonna be cooking as well, but it's mostly about chilling and enjoying, my surroundings. But you already know that I wanted to take you guys on this journey with me. Yeah, it's gonna be really relaxing today. So beautiful. Okay guys, so here I have the CousCous. It is the same brand as the quinoa that I had in the last video. It's basically a type of grain again, and I've never had this before. Like, I've had quinoa, but I've never had CousCous, and I decided that I want to try it. People said that it tastes good, once you season it with your seasoning or salt or butter, stuff like that, just like regular rice. So I'm gonna be trying this today. I'm gonna be doing curry shrimp and couscous. So yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna be cutting up the seasoning, just the basic stuff right now for the shrimp. I'm gonna be having some pepper, sweet pepper, scallion, garlic, some ginger, and some onions. Oh, sorry, some onions. So that's all I'm gonna be using for the curry shrimp. Well, as it relates to like chopped seasoning. I'm putting these different from these because this is for seasoning, like rubbing with the shrimp, and this is for when I add it to the pot. I don't know if you guys understand, but it'll all play out in the video. So I have the thyme, I have the ginger, just dice it into fine pieces. Last, we have the pepper. I love pepper, so I'm gonna add a lot. The place is so peaceful. Jesus. Guys, I love pepper. Yeah, I love pepper. I'm gonna just start the fire, so I'm just gonna make it go and heat up. I have my shrimp here. Yes, I have my shrimp. They're already washed, cleaned, deveined, everything. I did it from home because the time ago and nobody got time for that, so I do it myself from home, and I'm just carry them here. We're gonna get them started right now. So yeah, but the place is so quiet, you know, like it's literally so quiet. Alright guys, so for the curry shrimp, we're gonna be using some of my mother's seasoning, not a lot, like a teaspoon or so, and then some all-purpose, not a lot, because you don't really want to overpower the shrimp. And then I'm gonna add the chopped seasoning, scallion, onion, and the garlic. So onion, scallion, garlic, that's what I'm gonna be adding as diced seasoning for the shrimp. Pimento seeds, I'm gonna be using some pimento seeds as well. And don't forget the curry powder. Okay, and now we're gonna mix it up. Yeah, this ready now. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna start with the couscous. Like I said, I've never had it before. So I'm gonna follow the ingredients. Well, the instructions. It say 1 cup water, quarter salt or butter, bring water to a boil. So it's basically like cooking rice. So I'm just gonna add some to the pot now. Alright, so that should be good. A little of my mom's seasoning to it. Yeah, a little spice. Well, I guess because the coal stove really hot, it kind of burn it a little bit. Really good. Let me taste it. It's not bad. It's honestly not bad. It's not bad. You have to get used to the texture though, but it's not bad at all. Very simple, but still. Look at that. Guys, switch to my GoPro. I'm about to go swimming. I just done full my belly, so yeah, let's go. God, this feels good. Yo, this is so peaceful. See if we can go down further. This is a vibe. Really quiet. Over there. Over there looks so magical. I kind of want to go over there. I made it over. I made it. Look at that. It's so beautiful, man. Look at that, man. Hey. Whoa. Yo, the vibe is nice. Ooh. Oh, I'm glad I come. I'm glad I just come and just, you know, will a vibe. Like sometimes, you guys, this is all you need, you know. Like, if you want to do your thing by yourself, just do it. You'll definitely love this. Or for people in general who just love travel by themselves, you'll definitely love this. This is a vibe. I think I'm gonna do this every month. I won't disclose the location because it's a private property, but this is definitely a good time if you just want to have something like, if you just want to have some alone time. Alright guys, so it's around after 6 now. Time is getting late, so I'm going to be closing out. But I really hope you enjoyed this chill and relaxing video. Hopefully next week I'm going to be doing an epic adventure. Hopefully, I really do. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, show your girls some love. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.